ibyl, and this lighting is on point, so I had to come on camera. But no, in all seriousness, today I'm going to do a wash and chit chat / trivia. So tune in for the video. Today I'm going to be washing my hair, and I have some trivia questions for you all. So all the answers will be at the end, but as I give you the trivia, pause the video for a moment and comment below what do you think is the answer, and I'll reveal it at the end. Well, actually, you know what? That wouldn't be right. So I'm gonna reveal it in my next video. My next video, I'm gonna give a shout out to whoever got the most correct, and I'll reveal the answers too. First question. When was my last time washing my locks? When was the last time I washed my locks? Was it 2 weeks ago? Was it 3 weeks ago? Or was it 4 weeks ago? When was the last time I washed my locks? All right, trivia question number 2. How long does it take me to wash my locks? How long does it take me to wash my locks? Does it take 30 minutes? Does it take 1 hour? Does it take 2 hours? And you're free to say like an hour and a half, 45 minutes, 2.5 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. You're free to say that too. Question number 3. My lock, you see how it's a weak point right in here. Poor lock. So third question, what do I do before washing my locks? There's 2 things I do, but if you get one of them, that's fine. So what is something I do right before I wash my locks? And the 4th question, do I typically like to wash my locks in the morning or at nighttime? Do I typically like to wash my locks in the morning or at night? And the last question, typically what I do right after washing my locks. Do I grab a towel and dry my locks? Do I grab a t-shirt and dry my locks? Do I just squeeze them out really good and then sit directly underneath the dryer? What do I do directly after, initially after washing my locks? So I hope you're participating in the trivia. Hopefully I didn't go too fast. I'll have the questions on the screen too. Remember to pause, make your comment, and in the next video, I will reveal the answers as well as give a shout out to whoever got them correct. Also, in this video, before I get to doing my wash, I want to give a shout out to Sisterlock TV. Thank you for hosting the Sisterlock TV live event, Becoming a Lock Queen. I enjoyed being one of the panelists with the other beautiful queens. I enjoyed the chit chat. Thank you all, Triple L crew, for coming out and asking your questions and chatting it up with us. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all the love as well. I really enjoyed being a part of the Sisterlock community, and I enjoy participating and collaborating with other YouTubers. Everyone is unique and different and has their own experiences to bring to the table. So for anyone out there interested in locs or just wanting to hear about someone else's journey, definitely check out the channels of each lady that was a part of that panel. But yeah, thank you, Sisterlock TV. You are definitely making sure to bring everyone together. Greatly appreciate it. If you want to collaborate on anything else in the future, don't hesitate to hit me up. Also, I want to give a shout out to Green Thoughts. I'm not sure why I wasn't subscribed to her channel, but she was on, I think, the second Sisterlock TV live event. And today I was binge watching some of her videos. I'm a subby now, and if you aren't, go check out her channel. She has these beautiful Sisterlocks. They're so full and fluffy, and I love them. But her spirit is so calming, and yeah, definitely calming. So definitely check out her channel. She vlogs about Sisterlocks, just life in general. She shares her relationship videos. Definitely check her out. But yeah, I've been watching a couple of Sisterlock videos from different queens who are rocking Sisterlocks, and you all are inspiring me. I feel like I've been somewhat on an unintentional, look at this lock, like peekaboo. I've been on an unintentional, the last curl. I've been on an unintentional hiatus, and I'm like, why? There's a couple of factors, but one being, if I'm not doing anything with my hair, sometimes I'm not filming. And then also sometimes when I film, I'm doing my hair, I'm not filming. I told myself I want to post more, so one way I can do that is while I'm doing other things to video it. So like, if I'm already going to be driving, I might as well turn on the camera and talk about my hair, right? If I'm already going to be styling my hair, I might as well turn on the camera to show you all how I did it. If I'm already going to be washing my hair, I might as well turn on the camera to show you all what I'm doing. So that may help to get some more new videos on this channel. But thanks for everyone who's been rocking with me. Those who been like just checking my channel, like, ibyl posted it yet? Did I get a missing notification? Let me just come check out, see what's going on. Thank you for everyone who has done that. Thank you for all the love. Something else I was gonna say, and I can't think of it right now. I can't think of it right now. The next footage you're gonna see is gonna be probably with a voiceover, sped up, because I'm about to wash this hair. Alrighty, see you all in the next clip.
This is the end of my wash. I start my wash with my hair in 4 big sections. Sometimes I do more, and I focus on just that section to shampoo and rinse, and then I undo all of my sections and then just rinse it all together. So this is my final rinse. I sit with my hair wrapped in a t-shirt for a little while, and it really does a good job of absorbing the water from my locks. So when I take my hair out of the t-shirt, it feels much drier than when I first finished washing my hair. So you'll see me take off the t-shirt and just start moving my hair around to get my part back in place, and also to check to make sure that it looks like there's no residue or anything like that, and make sure all my hair is untangled, no locks combined together or tangled with another one. Next, I oil my scalp with Malay Organics almond oil. Pour it in my hand, and I just simply rub it into my part and my scalp. Sometimes I do it section by section. Today it was late, so I decided to just rub it into my scalp and massage my scalp. The massage felt amazing. If you're not massaging your scalp, you should definitely add it to your routine. Thank you for tuning in. Leave me some comments below with some things you do on your wash day. Remember to keep it fly, keep it fabulous. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.